Hey y'all, I just finished putting a journal ephemera bundle together. Some of these pieces I crafted. I will have a process video going up probably super late tonight or early in the morning that shows how I made some of these things. But you're gonna get 6 paper clips total. 2 paper clips are deeper in here. These are 2-inch paper clips. You get 4 in the pink and white stripe and 2 in white. 2 of these pink index cards. They measure 5 by 3. Some stationery. There's several different pieces in here. These are rose themed stationaries. And then I have these that I made. Now, these 2 pockets measure 5 by 4. I did put a butterfly on the front here. I did not back these pockets. And in each pocket, there's going to be 2 pieces of scrapbook paper left. This is thin scrapbook paper. Think copy weight, but I purchased this a long time ago. So in each one of these pockets, there's 2 pieces of paper. And then I included an extra cardstock butterfly die cut, like I used to make these 2 belly bands. Another piece of this cardstock. This is a little bit thicker. I used it to collage. 2 more scraps of this paper. I'm going to include this blush colored envelope and 3 sheets of this paper, stationery paper, that is almost 6 by 7 3/4. So there will be 3 sheets of this in there, and this is vintage paper. And then I made these. I made 2 long collaged belly bands, and they started out as a piece of cardstock, and I covered them with book page and layered some strips of paper that I cut or had left over from making the pockets and the notebooks that I'm gonna show you. So I did these 2 collage strips, which you could use them for belly bands or you could use them for page edgings. But if I use them, I would put them on a page as a belly band and tuck the notebook or piece of paper underneath it, because I left the covers of these notebooks plain. Now here's one of the other paper clips. So you get those 2 collage strips. Here's another piece of stationery that I folded up. And then I made these little notebooks. They're stapled together. They have only a few pages in them, but it is all this stationery paper that I cut into pieces, folded up, and put inside this little cover. So I clipped these together, added a paper clip. Get my paper clip back on here like I want it. And then I thought these would be really stinking cute tucked under one of these belly bands. So there are 2 of these. Here's the other paper clip, another full sheet folded in half of stationery paper, and then this booklet is the same on the inside. It just has a different cover. Okay, so that is what is included in this set. And as I said, later on, I will have a process video showing how I created these, and this will be posted for sale over on Facebook. If you are interested, please go over there and make a claim for these pieces. I'm just going to take all these, fit inside of this envelope. Okay. So that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, y'all.